LIC's stock has reached new high, and there are several factors contributing to LIC's performance. And one of them is a 5-point strategy suggested by government for the value enhancement. The first one is the digital transformation at LIC. Second one is the value from real estate. Third one is a strategy related to the HR and agency platform. The fourth one is product mix, and the fifth one is value from investment. So LIC is working on the digital transformation project, which is DIVE project. LIC will come up with a new app. Boston Consultancy BCG is roped in for the DIVE project, and it will be a complete transformation for operational purposes and for customer also. The second one is the real estate. So there are 1900 properties LIC has across the country, out of which 1400 is for LIC operations, but remaining 500 are on rented, or they are into some sort of encroachment or dispute. So government want that for the disputed property there can be some resolution, and then later on it can be monetized. The third one is the product mix. So we have seen that the VNB margin of LIC has reached up to the 16% mark, increasing from 13% in FY23, and at this pace where LIC will reach the VNB of margin of 25% before their target announcement. During the IPO, LIC has given a guidance that by 31st March 2027 LIC will reach the 25% VNB margin, but at this pace LIC will reach the 25% in somewhere in 2026. So before the target. The fourth one is from the transformation in HR and agency. So two global agencies has been roped in by LIC for the HR transformation and agency transformation. For agency transformation, the new project, the project Samarth, has been launched, which will completely revamp the process of work done by the agent, the 14 lakh agents which are part of LIC. The review will happen at the zonal level, at the regional offices, at the district offices. That is the part of complete transformation of HR and agency. The fifth one is value from investment. So LIC has total investment of more than 40 lakh crore in FY24 only from equity investment. LIC has made a profit booking of 60,000 crores.